Good morning, everyone, or anyone, should I say. Well, new week, new opportunities, and I think it's gonna be a slow week. So mainly, I'm just gonna do a forecast. Not sure if I'm gonna take positions, but anyway, let's check Nasdaq. All right. Let's check NQ, and I'm gonna put this right here. And let's go to the 15-minute on this chart. All right. So, market just opened. Nasdaq is edging a little bit higher. And I am going to go and check gold real quick, just to see what's going on, and the DAX index too, if there's anything to be seen here, since London just opened. This is DAX, by the way, and I'm just looking at it, what's happening. I'm somehow still bullish on DAX. Can go up easy, so have to be careful. On the 1 hour, we still see a little bit of buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency, which is exactly right here. But this morning it tapped into this, so who knows, it might go up. Yeah, it might just go up. For now, I'm gonna wait with DAX. It was just a quick look after market open. Let's stay focused here. And I already lost one trade this morning, by the way. It was before the stream. A very small trade on DAX. I thought that it's gonna dive down, but it didn't. Anyway, this is Nasdaq, and I'm gonna go over Nasdaq. I'm gonna go over gold and a little bit of the DAX index. But for this to start, we must go to the hourly chart of NQ, which is this one. Let me delete some stuff here. So on the hourly, as you can see, we have a previous day low from Friday. This long wick candles right here. These are the lows, and we have a high. So we're pretty much just, inside of a range. And if we zoom out, as you can see, we're pretty much inside of a range since last week's CPI. I'm pretty much just ranging. This is the high of the range, and this is the low of the range. Below the low of the range, we do have a beautiful buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency on the 1 hour candle, which I like. I think it's looking great right here. I'm gonna put a level right about there. It's not that 100% accurate, but it's gonna be fine. It's at 15,791. So that should be the main interest in terms of sell side liquidity. I know there's sell side below this internal low. Well, I'm sorry, below this long wick candle, but my main sell side target would be 791. Otherwise, let me delete this. If I go higher, I still say that this right here at 16,124 to 134, that's a liquidity void from the July the 20th on the new day opening gap from July, basically. That could be very interesting. So these new day opening gaps, especially if they are so old, can be an interest of, well, how should I say, a draw on liquidity. But for now, we are ranging still since last week's CPI report. And if I go down to the 15-minute time frame, that's the 15-minute, As you can see, there is no imbalance anywhere. No imbalance. Nothing. All we have is last day low, last day high, which is Friday, and we have the 1 hour fair value gap, which is a BC. So for now, if I go, this is the Ninja Trader chart for Nasdaq. Yeah, there you go. Yesterday, this is Friday, sorry, Friday to Sunday midnight, and so this is that long wick candle, which if I zoom out to the 60-minute, you can see it right there. Okay, so this is a 60-minute NQ. If I go down to the 15-minute, as you can see, we had a nice push to the upside here, but no setup for me, nothing. Even if I go to the 5-minute, there's nothing to be seen here. There is a relative equal high up here from Sunday open. Could be interesting above the 900 level, maybe, not sure. I'm gonna put a rectangle here just so we will know if something is going on, but I highly doubt that, or maybe, I don't know, never say never, right? But if we go to the upside, the next liquidity target should be right there. But anyway, there's nothing to do on Nasdaq for now. I don't have any entry. None of my criteria is set at this point on Nasdaq. So unless if it's not gonna get into this area on the 5-minute or below yesterday's low, I'm not interested to take any kind of trade on Nasdaq. All right. So that's Nasdaq for you. Let's go to gold. This is gold 1 hour chart. Gold. Nothing. This is the 1 hour chart on gold. We do have a small sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency gap from Friday. That could be a point of interest. NRT is here. Good morning, good morning. Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Thanks for being here. So on gold, a next point of interest should be also below Friday low. Sorry. Friday low, or to take out this internal liquidity from Friday. Otherwise, if I go down to the 15-minute, we tapped into this imbalance. I don't know, it can maybe shoot up. Can be interesting if we see, you know. Pleasure is all mine as well, NRT. But if we look at it closer, we do see a structure shift. I mean, let's look at it closer. It's the 15-minute gold. And there you go. Fair value gap there, fair value gap here, structure break. Was pretty good. If we go down to the 5-minute, we can see the same structure shift here. So that's also good. If I go down to the 1-minute, and I know that the color of this rectangle is very bad, so I'm just going to delete that. If I go down here, I would say I want to take this trade. So I'm going to jump into a gold long trade. My target would be, let's see, my target would be this high, 63. So I'm going to be using a little bit of a space here if it wants to dive deeper. Hold on, let me check something because it took out already. Okay, I'm bullish on gold, by the way. So this is going to be a small position, a very small position, but I'm still waiting. I'm not in the trade yet. I just want to see how this candle reacts here. So the balance of this account is 52,696. And you know what? I think I am just going to take a trade, only $300 on this one with a 1 to 2. All right. In it to win it. If it goes a little bit lower, that's fine. Maybe it's repricing that imbalance. So far it made some structure shifts, and I'll see how it goes. My target would be up in the highs here, so that's great. I could trade gold futures actually. I could do that. I have this Forex account to make these gold trades. I could trade actually, you're right. But well, maybe on the combine account I could do that. I'm gonna be totally honest, I'm still not used to trade gold futures in terms of calculating my risk and everything. For me, it's just much more simpler to take a gold trade here for now on MetaTrader. Not that I love MetaTrader that much, but I mostly use my TopStep account to trade NQ and ES. But you know, yeah, I mean, we can check that, by the way. We can check that. Just give me a second. I can get that chart. Just give me... Push the like button, guys, by the way. All right. So we can do that. I think it's GC. Yeah. So there's gold. Is doable. Absolutely. What is going on? Something's not right with my computer. Screen is freezing down. I don't know what the hell. It's acting crazy, to be honest. I'm not sure if what's happening on your end, but on my end, it definitely looks crazy. Anyway. Alright. Alright. So, there you go. You know what? F this. We can put on a trade, right? On gold. Just for the sake of it. If it starts to go, then it will start to go. So this is gold futures, and this is a combine account. It's not my express funded account. And my target would be, if I go to the 5 minute, yeah, it would be somewhere up here. So I'm gonna put a sell stop to this level, and my stop loss would be, sorry, sell limit here, and my sell stop would be somewhere here. That's fine. Alright, this is not the big deal. So we took the same trade basically on gold futures. and we'll see how it goes. Okay, I think my computer is getting back on. Now the screen was freezing on my left monitor here, so that was interesting. Anyway, I took my second payout from that funded account which I was showing last time here. Here's my second payout, $1,029 from TopStep. Of course, the account equity went down to $1,000, so that's not a good one. But anyway, all the way I took out almost $2,000 from this TopStep account. So you can see. Okay, let me check. So my take profit, let me tell you on MetaTrader, my take profit is at 1984. My stop loss is at 1976.80. Take profit is at 1984.88. And stop loss is at 1976.80. Thank you, NRT. So those are my trade. I had a loss this morning on DEX. No, sorry, NASDAQ. On this one, it was a small loss, but overall we're still in profit, over $2,000 on this. So the reason why my stop loss is down here is that maybe if it wants to reprice this 5-minute imbalance, I would give some more space to it. But overall, it might just go up and, you know, take out relative equal highs and go into that liquidity. Not my most favorable trade, but on this account I can do some stuff like that. Anyway, let's go to gold futures. Oh no, it's going down. Hold on a second. Yeah, my stop loss was a little bit lower on MetaTrader, so I'm gonna put it down there. It's gonna be around a little bit more than 200, maybe 250-ish dollars. This is a combine account. This is not a funded or live account. This is a combine. I'm not trading my funded or live account on stream. But this one has 152 something thousand dollar on it. So maybe I will succeed with this one too. All right. Let's check the DEX. Oh, look at DEX. Wow. It went down. Oh, I missed this trade. Look at that. My entry could have been maybe here in that area. Could have entered there for a short. Now we tapped into the 1 hour buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. Are we gonna go and continue up? We'll see. I'm not stepping in if I don't see a clear move. You're right. You're right. I was a little premature on this gold trade, but I did not take this trade on my live or funded account, as I said. So it's a challenge account, by the way, if anyone is interested on this account. So I mean, this one is a combine, the other one is a challenge, so that's it. We'll see how it goes. If it goes down, it goes down. It's gonna be a slow morning. I'm guessing that. Oh, look at that. Should have taken that trade right there on the 1 minute. Could be like 2000. Yeah, it could be. It would be at 1-to-1 right now. Coulda, woulda, shoulda. Yeah, gold is dipping lower. Nothing else here that interests me. This one is absolutely not a beautiful entry. I know that. That's why I purposely left some space for this one to move a little bit further down. I was hoping for a reversal. If it goes down below, then it might return below Friday's low and then maybe even lower to reprice that. KRK is here. Wow. Good morning, good morning. And for everyone, good morning. Okay, I'm gonna be taken out from gold soon. My stop loss is, yeah, it's very near. I think I should close down my gold trade. Not sure. Let's just leave it at that. It's fine. It's completely fine. This account is still alright, so if I lose this one, I will be still over $2,000. So that's fine. So that's gold futures. But let's get the focus back to Nasdaq. Which one? Here. So Nasdaq pulled back down. Didn't really take any kind of liquidity, but you know, let's just wait. Yeah, gold is gonna take me out. Right, I might close it manually. It's just dropping like a rock. Or not. No, I accepted that risk, so it's not a big deal. So anyway, last week was great. I took my second payout from that funded account at Top Step. That makes me overall a almost $2,000 payout. So it was a $1,029 payout. It was very fast. The money arrived at the same day from Top Step, so I was very glad about it. The balance, I mean the current equity is a little bit over $1,000, but I'm only trading micro contracts. So I'm going with micros. So far every day was a flawless day. So this account is good, is looking good. You know, if I blow this one, then let it be, but for now the results are good. So let's hope I can keep it that way. Well, for now, Top Step is only pays you to your bank account. So you might as well have to have a US checking account or any kind of IBAN or IBAN account number. So Bankwire, basically, that's it. Nothing else. Only Bankwire for now. That's all I know. And when I ask for a payout, the only option I have is to fill out my IBAN bank account number. But the wire transfer was very fast. I asked for the transfer. So how should I tell you? In my time zone, it was when the money has been deducted from my balance. I mean, when they took the money out from my NinjaTrader balance, it was 5 p.m. 5 p.m. in my time. So how is that works? I don't know. And the money was in my bank account at 11 p.m. on the same day. I have a dollar account, just saying. I have a US dollar account. So the money was on the US dollar account at 11 p.m. So 6 hours after they took it out from my NinjaTrader balance, the money was on my account. So it was very fast. So that's good. Yeah, that's kind of bad. Yeah, taxes and everything. Apex vélemény? A little bit of Hungarian here from my Hungarian fellow. Quick answer here. Az Apex, én jónak mondom, az egyedüli hátrány, hogy a trailing stopot húzza magával. Minden ügylet után, minden trade után húzza magával a trailing stopot, és ez borzasztóan hátrányos tud lenni, ha negatív spirálban vagy aznap. gyorsan ki tud vágni. Tehát kétszer is, háromszor is meg kell gondolni, hogy milyen ügyletet teszem meg. Ez az egyetlen nagy hátránya az Apexnek. Szerintem, hogy egy ügylet után húzza a trailing stopot. So I was just explaining to KRK that I think the biggest drawback on Apex is the intraday trailing stop loss. Actually, after every trade, they have a high watermark system. So Top Step has a trailing stop too, but only after the end of the day. Only after the end of the day. So you can do whatever you want inside the trading session or inside the trading day, but when the day ends, they move the stop loss, of course. But Apex is like, they are very tricky. Apex is using a high watermark system, and I think that's a very bad thing from them. For example, let me give you an example. You are trading for an 100k challenge account. Damn, it's gonna push me out. You have a trade. You're in plus $5,000 profit, and you don't close the trade. You don't close it, and then the trade goes against you, and you can only secure like $1,000 profit from the 5,000. Apex is going to register the highest watermark of the equity. So you took the equity up to $105,000, and that's what's going to be the stop loss level. So if you have a $5,000 trailing stop on a 100k account, then your stop out level is going to be at $100,000 after your equity in that specific trade reached 105k, and you did not close it because you wanted to hold it and you didn't close that trade. Still, the system registers it, and the trailing stop would be pulled up to that point. And I think it's very bad, in my opinion. So you can be stopped out super easy on Apex. Super easy. You can be stopped out with the trading. Their trailing stop is super aggressive. Every single trade you take is going to trail your stop. If you are going to profit, of course. You're going to trail your stop loss with every single trade, while at Top Step, it only registers it after you finish the day. And not the high watermark, the closed down balance. So Top Step is going to register the closed balance for that day, while Apex is going to register the high watermark of your equity. Huge difference. Huge difference. I would choose anytime Top Step, and not just because that I had payouts from them. I would choose anytime Top Step more in these terms because of instead of Apex. I'm not saying I'm not going to trade with Apex anymore. I might will, because they have cheap evaluations. I just got stopped out. They have cheap evaluations, but you know, you really have to know what you're doing with Apex. It's really dangerous, in my opinion. Okay, so I lost the gold trade, but I'm not gonna cry about it. It might just go a little bit further down. It's gonna take out Friday low, and you know what? If I see, no, not just yet, because there's no volume which I would like. So interesting on the 1 hour chart. This one down here can be also a target. This level of sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency, buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. Wouldn't be surprised if this level would be revisited by price. For now, I'm not doing anything with it. There's no volume. The only exception would be if gold would drop like crazy. Then I would say it's gonna take it out and I can rescalp it. I don't know. It's tempting, to be honest, because if I see it dropping, I would be tempted to jump in. But no. Okay, so the German index repriced this imbalance. So let's see if we have any kind of major entry. We don't. Yeah, they have a 90% sale. Apex has a very nice 90% sale right now. And yeah. Guys, I'm in a losing streak. I had some winners, but since Friday I had 1, 2, 3 losses. It's not good. I had some winners, so overall the account is good, but you know, at least I'm still over $2,000 on this. And again, if someone is new, please push the like button. And let me just tell you guys, this is not a live account. This is a combine account at Top Step. This is NASDAQ, what you're seeing right now. I'm trading NASDAQ, gold, and sometimes DEX, but I'm only trading combine and or challenge accounts on my live stream. I'm only trading my live and funded account to my members. And I share more data about that. So anyway, Apex is on sale now. I have a affiliate code, by the way, but I can't give you a bigger discount because I have an affiliate code for Apex, so I'm not gonna lie. Which platform? I'm using Funded Engineer for now, but I have another one at my Funded FX. 50k accounts. I don't think I'm going to be giving too much of a thought to be staying with MetaTrader prop firms in the future. I mean, I'll try to, but don't really have high hopes. I like futures way better. So futures is I really like it. So NASDAQ, by the way, let me show you something on NASDAQ. It's NASDAQ, I still believe if we go to the daily chart, I know lots of stuff here. So let me just clear some of this up. This 15,791 level is the 1 hour sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency level. We have the 16,000 level up here. And as I was telling, we have a new day opening gap from July at 16,120 to 16,134. So this level up here could be also an interesting target. And for some reason, I'm pretty much bullish still on NASDAQ. I mean, look at that, this sharp push. If I go to the weekly, this is the weekly. Let me delete this. Oh no, I'm gonna leave that there. This is the weekly chart. I know it's messed up, but if we look at this leg here, one push here, and we only need one more push here to go and take out this high. I think it's definitely going to, by the end of the whole year, I think it's definitely going to give a final push for the bulls to take out this high. So this is a weekly chart, and that's why I'm gonna be staying on the bullish side on NASDAQ. I need to go to Germany to ask for some explanation with DEX movement. Really? Well, DAX is definitely looking crazy this morning. It definitely is. It definitely is looking crazy. I mean, on the 1 hour, it repriced this range, which is great. Now, what I would like to see from DAX is make a displacement to the upside, or maybe continue its way down to the downside, but then it has to go all the way down to 15,858-ish level. I don't have any entry on DAX, and I already had 2 losses this morning, so I'm not sure I want to. Now look at gold. I'm very, very tempted to jump into a gold short, guys. I'm very, very tempted. I mean, I know I was going long, but looking at the bigger picture, I don't know. It's like when the kid doesn't know if it wants to go to the toilet or not, and then the DAX will just shit itself. Yeah. Absolutely. Yeah. Camille. Hey, Camille. Oh my god, I love the new people, guys. I love the new people. Huge applause to Camille. Make sure to push the like button and subscribe. And just to put myself in the shining light, you know, I just have to state that I'm not such a bad trader as it looks like right now in the stream. I can proudly say that I'm taking more and more payouts from Top Step, but this right now, which you see me trading, these are challenge accounts and combine accounts. This is a Top Step combine account at Nasdaq, so I'm trading aggressively, super aggressively on these challenge accounts, taking lots of trades, but I'm not taking trades live stream on my live account. Only these, because it puts some extra pressure on me. So let's see what's going on. So I was tempted to go short on gold. I'm not gonna do anything for now with gold. Let's wait and see what the hell is it gonna do. Is it gonna go lower? Is it gonna go higher? If we look at gold, if we zoom out to the 15-minute, we did have some fair value gaps on the 15-minute chart, and it perfectly repriced this gap right there. So that's interesting. But was it just a fake out or something? 1980 for possible sells. What do you see at 1980? 1980. Oh yeah, maybe. We do have a fair value gap, maybe giving enough support. Don't know. For now, I am definitely waiting for gold to make a move. DAX, as you can see right here, is stuck in this range in the 1 hour buy side imbalance. It's stuck here, nothing to do with it. And Nasdaq, I would say it's tried to edge higher. There is a almost like a relative equal high here at that point. And we also have a fair value gap a little bit higher. It might want to go there at 78. Yeah, above the 900s. It's 20 points. Aussie cat sell. Nice. Well, I'm not used to trade Aussie cat. I don't even know if it's in my charts. I can check it for you. And the one that's resistance. Oh. And the 6061.8 fib level. Really? Okay then. So we're gonna keep an eye on gold, that level there. Aussie CAD. Let's check it since we have time. I'm not sure if I have Aussie CAD. Oh, I have it here. This is going to be just a super quick review on Aussie CAD from my side of what I think. It's absolutely not going to be a okay. All right, so that's the midnight open price. It does look like it took out that high. Aussie CAD took out that high. Oh, look at that. It took out this high real nicely, and this one as well, I think. So it looks good. It looks promising for a reversal for the short term. On the 1 hour, we're definitely in the premium array. 5 minute, yeah, 5 minute looks promising, but there's no structure break yet on the 5 minute. On the 1 minute, there would have been a structure break right here. So entry could have been here in this area, but that could have taken you out if your stop loss was right above here. So very dangerous territory. Actually, two entries, one entry here and one entry here. Aussie CAD is dangerous. These candles, the bodies of these candles are representing some kind of a support, although I'm not trading support and resistance. But this fair value gap might be giving some support to price. So I would wait for the 5 minute to break that and maybe take a trade somewhere here when it retraces. That's what I would do. Otherwise, I don't know, it's too dangerous for me. I wouldn't touch it on the 1 minute. It looks dangerous still. We're very close to the, and that's the problem, and Forex pairs are respecting these levels. The 9,000 level, the 0.9 thousand level. I mean, just look at that. It's no problem, man. But Kami, look at this. We're so close to the 9,000 level. Only 14 pips away. It's very close. And that's why I wouldn't go short. Instead, I would go long. I would go long to target the 9,000 level, but I don't have a setup for it, so I'm not gonna. I would not take any long. But if anything, I would be favoring the 9,000 level. And if you get to the 9,000 level, oh, someone just subscribed. Thank you, Faridun. Thank you for the sub. And if you go for that and zoom out to the daily, look at how close you're getting to this high. The 9,058 level. So that's a very, very dangerous area to go short. Very close to 9,000. Okay. Look at that. It's slowly going there. So that's it. Anyway, let's go to Nasdaq. Nasdaq is going sideways. Not much is happening right now. What is gold doing? Look at that. Oh, gold is, look at, I think gold wants to take that low out for now, it looks like. Tapped into this. Look at that. Tapped into that fair value gap. And now it just looks like it wants to drop and take out the lows. You know what? F this. It's just a challenge account. I'm going in. I'm going in. I'm gonna, yeah. I have to take out some. Oh, another Camille is also subscribed. Thank you so much for the sub, man. Thank you so much, guys. So this is a challenge account. I don't really care. I'm short. And this is gold futures, so basically the same. Should we take it or not? I put too much risk on this trade. So my target is yesterday's low. Yesterday's low. I mean Friday, sorry. Friday's low is my target. And maybe this level down there. If I zoom out to the daily, yeah, it can still take out this imbalance down there, but no. I'm not going to take the same trade on gold futures now because that account has suffered one loss already, and I want to save it for New York session, maybe for NQ trades, because that's a top step account. I have a smaller, sorry, excuse me, bigger room there, so I'm just gonna leave it. But let's see. So Nasdaq is pushing higher. It wants to go to this 5-minute fair value gap up there. It does seem like it wants to. Let's see. Let's see if it does. DEX? Look at that. Look how much liquidity is DEX leaving down there. Just need confirmation candle for sales. Yes, let's check it. So if we go to the 1 minute, which is right here on DEX, it repriced this fair value gap, and now it might be starting to go lower. Honestly, this is the hourly DEX. It can go lower here to this imbalance on the hourly chart. It can definitely go lower there. So interesting. But I still would need to see a nice displacement on DEX to go short here. At least, I mean, I'm already abusing my account with this gold trade. But you know, if it wants to drop, and if it drops here, I want to see it take out anyway. You know what? I'm gonna put my take profit here, just in case, because gold can do some dirty moves. It turns back just before taking out Friday low. So at least I can recoup some of the losses if it would drop. So come on, gold. Otherwise, everything is pretty much stable. I mean, no movement. Nothing really is happening. Nasdaq is consolidating. This was the London Open. Since that, we're just going sideways. This music is gonna kill me. Yeah. Gold is acting up crazy as well. All right. All right. Yeah, I mean, I would be only selling DEX if it would go through this 1 hour. Let me zoom out. If it would go through this 1 hour fair value gap, I mean, with a hard drop, then I would be targeting this area right there. Let me show it. Then I would be targeting this area. If I would see at least the 1-to-1 scalp opportunity, maybe. But so far, it's still inside this imbalance. So, not much to do with that. Not much to do with that. So I'm waiting on DEX for now. This is DEX with the 1 hour chart. So I'm waiting. I am waiting. And the gold is also right there. I would like to see gold drop. Nasdaq is still consolidating, so that's it, guys. It's just a waiting game. So you can still push the button. I mean the like button. Or we can go scared. Oh my god, I'm so scared. I don't know what to do, man. Should I close it? Should I add more? Should I go long? I don't know, man. Trading is stressful. Too much stress. No, I mean, it shouldn't be stressful. If you do the proper risk management, then trading absolutely should not be stressful anytime. The pressure is on, absolutely, Camille. I'm in such a huge pressure right now that if I'm gonna lose this gold trade, you know what? I'm gonna quit trading. I'm gonna delete my channel. I'm gonna quit trading. This gold trade is, man, this is just gonna be. It is what it is. I'm gonna go work in a factory for a minimal wage. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do, man. Yeah, yes, exactly, NRT. Huge wisdom from NRT. Trading should be boring, and it is. I mean, when you're bored to death during trading, that's when you know then that you're on the right path. Trading should be boring. That's how it should go. Exactly. Right on. You know, I would like to do some interesting stuff like while here streaming and trading, but you know, what else to do? I mean, I can play some chess or solitary. That would be boring as well. I don't have a hot tub to jump in and ask for donations, so that would be maybe more interesting, but I'm not doing that, you know. But I don't know, man. It is boring. Many times when I'm just off stream, I just sit here, you know, I'm not even speaking then. I'm sure you guys know how it goes. I'm just sitting, staring at the screen, and like just sitting, doing nothing, just meditating and staring the monitor. So look at DEX. Let's look at DEX. Oh, wow. Okay, nothing. Still inside the range. I thought that it took out this low, but nothing. DEX is consolidating. Gold is dropping a little bit, not too much. Look at that. NQ. I'm a chicken. I'm a coward right now because we're not, guys. Since, you know, I made some calculations in my journal, and when I'm having some good trades in New York sessions, I used to give it back the other day. I mean, the next day in London session. So no. I mean, on my live account. Sorry, these stats are from my live account. On my live and funded accounts, when I do something real good in New York, and if I dare to take a trade on them on the London session, it ends up really bad. I'm giving back my profits in the London session. So I realized, all right, I'm not going to trade my live account or funded accounts in the London session because look at this. I mean, not too much volume. I like speed. That's why I like to trade the Nasdaq in New York. I like speed. You started posting your trades on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, and it make me more. Yeah, you know what? That's a good idea. That's it. You know what, NRT? You know what? Actually, I think you just gave me some good ideas there. I mean, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm going to record all my trades, and I think I'm going to post my winners on TikTok and Instagram. Just the winners. Don't worry, just joking there. A little bit of a... I'm gonna do like multiple recordings on my screens. I'm gonna take the same trades. I mean, yeah, I'm going to take the same instrument in both directions. I'm going to push a buy and sell button, and I'm going to post a lot of trades. But yeah, it's a good idea, by the way. It makes a little bit more fun. Maybe some more followers, some more, you know, interaction, which is good, especially for someone who willing to go with social media a little bit. I'm willing to. But I'm slow. I'm very slow. I'm a dinosaur, so I'm doing everything slowly. Gold is still hovering there. I thought that it's gonna take out that low from Friday. Nothing. I have a stress ball here, by the way. That's what I'm playing with on my desk. Stress ball. Oh man, this gold trade. Not looking good. And by the way, the silver bullet session, as far as it goes, it's not looking good. I mean, in terms of silver bullet, you could have taken a trade on Nasdaq here, maybe. Let's go down to the 30-second. My entry model is based on the 30-second, by the way. Look at that. My entry would have been perfect here. I have posted a few TikToks and a few Instagram posts, but I only posted one on YouTube. And it's fun. Yes, exactly. Exactly. Now that I give you a huge point as well. I mean, if you record your trade, also maybe you record your own behavior, how you traded, you can definitely see your mistakes in a much more clear view. So good idea. Gold is not looking good. We have a target here. Oh, Aaron. All right, Aaron. Or Arun. Arun music. Sorry, I don't know which one to pronounce it. But hey, kudos, man. Kudos, man. I missed this one. It's a Monday, you know. It's Monday, and I still don't get the feeling for the market. Very nice trade there. I think you should be good at least until 900. You should decide what to do. I would be taking profit at 99 just to make sure if it wants to turn back down. Or you can go for the surefire way and hold it until 0375 is a 5-minute pull. Could be good. Oh, my gold trade. Sorry, excuse me. I didn't sleep well. Honestly, guys, I didn't sleep well. Okay. Aaron is fine, thanks. Only 3 micros and it's a Monday. Yeah, good. Alright, Aaron. That's very... 3 micros is perfect, man. That's all you need. 3 micros. That's perfect. I mean, this account I'm gonna show right here. So this express funded account, I'm mostly trading micros. Of course, I traded. So as you can see, S&P, I traded. How many trades I took on this one? I don't even know. E-mini. Anyway, I mostly trade micros on this account, so my average daily profit is just over $200. But I took 2 payouts, so that's why I'm saying. And I'm always showing this kind of motivation that you can go with micros. 3 micros is perfect. Actually, that's my main lot size, or how should I say, position size. I go with micros on my funded account. I have 2 other funded accounts as well with Top Step. I go with micros on that one. But I'm building those accounts up. I'm building up some equity. Looking for some bigger equity. I'm very much preserving that. And I decided to take out money from one account. I have 3 funded accounts at Top Step. I'm taking one account as a payment account. I'm always taking out as soon as I can. I take out money from that, and I build up the other 2, small, step by step, building them up with micros. You know what you can add to stream for people to send you screenshots of charts so you can analyze it and tell your opinion? Well, you know, it could be a possibility, I guess. I don't know. Maybe. Yeah, not a bad, absolutely not a bad idea. Actually, it's a good idea. Gold is pushing where I want it to. I can sell it back down. Yeah. I think you're gonna be right. Man, I'm gonna be sweating here. I'm gonna be really much sweating. Your entry is my stop loss. That's what they say, right? Oh, man. I'm messing up this account. Oh, damn it. I need to sleep more. I'm messing up this account this morning. Your entry is my stop loss. Look at that. Maybe I should just close it. I should have closed it, by the way. Wow, look at that. Look, let me look. Oh, man. Oh, man, I'm cutting it. All right. I cut it. I guess you know why I did cut this trade. Because I was an idiot. Guys, that's what I'm saying. Here. Here. This is my reason why I'm cutting this trade. There you go. There you go, and this is why I am totally messed up this morning. I'm totally messed up this morning. This should have been my perfect entry to go long, at least with a 1-to-1 trade. And instead I was short. I'm not even taking more trades on gold. I don't care. It's too much. I already lost about 500. Yeah, more than $500. Actually more, $600 on this account this morning. So $600 loss. It's not good. It's not good. I could have taken this trade around here. Stop loss down here. I could have been at 1-to-1 by now. So no. I messed up. I have to stop here with this account. But let's look at NASDAQ. Look at NASDAQ. Oh my god. As we were talking about it, it went to 900. I feel a little bit of FOMO here. Not gonna lie. It went to 70. almost 30 points from this 5-minute entry. Also, it made it on the 1 minute as well. So if you were using the 5-minute gap here as a liquidity pool, and the structure break was on the 1 minute, then you could enter it right here. It was a perfect trade. And I missed this one too. Gold should reverse. I don't know, man. I don't feel anything right now on gold. I don't feel the confidence, man. Here's the deal. Joe Biden said it. Here's the deal. Man, I screwed up everything with gold. And I feel the FOMO for NASDAQ. That's not a good emotional place to be right now. Let me check something. Let me go to the 30-second and let me check the tick chart. I use the tick chart, as I told you guys many times. So the entry is down here. Even the tick chart was good. Almost. So this is gold futures. Wow. Nice. Although the structure break is not that clear here because equal highs here, but on the Forex chart it was good. Yeah, so gold future on the right side, on the left side is a tick chart for NASDAQ. Tapped into this liquidity zone. This is a 1 minute. I'm gonna go to the 5 minute again. I don't know. Right here. Look at that. It's gonna go down. Well, this could be it. I don't know. Still not. I don't know. I'm just leaving that. Could be dropping. I mean, this fair value gap held very nicely. Now this one provided the real resistance for price to break higher, or against price to break higher. And now it's starting to make a second attempt. Let's see if it will succeed or not. This entry was so perfect down there. Even for a 1-to-1 it was great. Second entry could be up here. Huh. All right. Right here and here. We're in a daily discount, I know that. But I'm just scared to take any more entry since these losses have occurred. Let's check NASDAQ. Look at that. NASDAQ is going for that 5 minute imbalance at 0375. At least for now it looks like. So if someone is still holding from here, then high probability it's just gonna tap into that right now on the 5 minute. So it's great, and I missed it. I missed the trade. Unfortunate. But you can push the like button anytime and subscribe to the channel. So I missed this trade. We were talking about this. I was talking about this at the beginning of the stream, that this level up here can be visited, which is happening now. This is a 30-second NQ on the right side, a 500 tick chart on the left side. So gold 1 hour, you can see short maybe. Asadbek, hey there, here there. Well, I will check it, but gold 1 hour. Yeah, I was targeting this, but then I closed the trade because I was stupid, and I'm just not sure. This fair value gap provided a nice resistance for price to break higher. Repriced it, so there could be a second entry on the 1 minute right here. F it. All right, I'm in. I'm in the trade. I might gonna regret this. But this, you know, it is what it is. DEX is still consolidating. And I'm just gonna leave this trade as it is. If it wants to drop to Friday's low, so be it. If not, then we'll see. Pound yen, good entry coming out for buy. I'm not checking really pound yen, but you know, go for it. Gold gave me pullback to fib level, pullback to previous support, pullback to imbalance. Yeah, with no confirmation candle, it went without me to one trade. Yay, it's I mean, if you're looking for confirmation on gold to go short, not like me, then this level can also be a good one. A structure break here as well. So structure break, fair value gap, poked into the 5-minute liquidity up there because it repriced this 5-minute liquidity. Right now should be an optimal entry, not where I entered. And it's repricing this volume imbalance quickly, and then we should see a quick drop to Friday low. So right now we are at the point where gold should be dropping quickly. If not, then I don't want to see it trade above these highs. That's why I put my stop loss there, and that's it. Not good. It's not good, guys. It's not good. It's not even funny. Okay. Maybe a small, very small bearish order block here on the 1 minute. Naga is here, man. Oh man, I'm streaming. Yeah. Naga, welcome. I mean, not every day, and I used to stream my live and funded accounts in New York session to my Discord community. Not so much members right now, only a few people. So, but you know, 2 or 3 times a week on YouTube in London, I can do some stuff. And Naga, since you were not here since a while, I can show you that by this time I managed to take two payouts from Top Step. The last one on Friday, $1,000, and this is already a funded account. So as you can see, it's looking great. 11 winning days. That was real awesome. You're profitable already. Ooh, cool, man. Very nice, very nice, very nice. That's, hey, dude, every day $10-20, man. That's awesome. Naga, congratulations. You know what, Naga, you deserve an applause. That's awesome, man. Terrible entry on gold again. Honestly, guys, I just wish it would take my stop loss and, you know, let's move on with the day because I want to focus for New York and to the live account. No more greedy. Now Forex 5% every trade. 5% is still a lot, you know. If we consider it. Look at DEX is still hovering there. 5% is still a lot. I only risk like less than 1%. But it's awesome, man. And gold took me out. Gold took me out. Oh no. Alright, this account is abused already. Today you did well. I did -2 on the challenge accounts, but I did not take any trade on my funded or live account this morning. How long? Well, I was streaming a few months ago for a while. I mean, for a few months. You know, I just restarted streaming like 2 weeks ago or a week ago. Trying to do like 2 or 3 trades a week, 2 or 3 streams a week. When I do have my membership. Now, these accounts what I'm trading right here, these are not live or funded accounts. These are challenge and or combine accounts. So, I mean, tonight, yeah, tonight, which is still in the morning for me, I'm going to be just streaming the London session and maybe tomorrow as well. But New York, no. New York, I'm going to do it for my private Discord membership, where I share my live account, my funded account, and completely, I mean, not completely, but absolutely, but different trading style. On my challenge account, I trade aggressively and I just throw it in there. But my live and funded account, I trade absolutely more disciplined. I'm waiting for my entries. I'm waiting for the perfect A+ setup. Oh, definitely, I'm trading ICT, Naga, and I'm not going to trade anything else. I'm trading ICT concepts. Absolutely, absolutely. I'm not changing anything. So that's looking good, and that's what helped me to get my payouts from Top Step as well. So as I said, on my challenge accounts, I am trading super aggressively. I don't really care. I mean, of course I care, but I'm not going to, I mean, cry all about it. But my funded account, I do care deeply, and I'm trading micros or very small positions. So far, that's it. Look at gold, damn it. Very bad. I messed up gold. I messed up gold very much. This morning, gold went behind my back, pulled down its trousers or pants, and effed me real hard. That's what happened. This could have been a beautiful 1-2. Man. Gold effed me real hard this morning. Real hard. And DEX is just a trader. It's not doing anything. But gold is the real The real boogeyman for this session. Baba Yaga. That is also for people, bro. Well, I'm not sure what you mean, but I guess. So this is the 15-minute Nasdaq. It might go for Friday high. Still going strong. No, it's not TradingView. It's NinjaTrader. And I'm gonna switch to TradingView just for a second. This is TradingView. And so I think it's gonna go and take out, and so if it goes this way, we're gonna take out Friday high. And if we want to take out Friday high, then let me show you something from the 15th of November, which was a Wednesday. If I go down there, you can still see that we have a 15-minute fair value gap just below the 16,000 level. Oh yeah. Yeah. Exactly. I know what you mean now. So we have a 15-minute imbalance, sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency, but we have a new day opening gap at 16,120 to 16,134. Could be interesting. So I'm looking for that in the New York session. If this whole thing is going to push higher. This is back to NinjaTrader, 15-minute Nasdaq chart. Yeah, I think the move has happened in London. So I missed the move. Nothing else to do here, guys. I messed it up this morning, this Monday morning. I screwed up the trades, lost some not real money, but lost some equity from my challenge account. So I don't think I'm gonna push it further. I'm gonna wait for a New York session. Yeah. Thank you, NRT. Thank you. I know I can count on you. Anyway, guys, I think I'm gonna cut it here because the move has happened. The London move on gold happened, on Nasdaq it happened, DAX is not doing anything. I think there's nothing going to be happening until New York session, so I'm just gonna say farewell now. Not forever, just at least until tomorrow. You can visit my blog at pip.ninja or tomsabo.biz. I have a paid membership, of course. I'm not giving you the holy grail, but I do share everything. And anyway, there's going to be a new video coming out soon. It's going to be called Walks and Talks. I'm going to be walking in the woods, in the forest. I have some good topics I'm going to be talking about. It's going to be a 20 to 30 minute video about trading psychology and mentality. And that's it. So guys, push the like button, subscribe to the channel, and guys, NRT, Nega, Camille, KRC, who was Assad Beck was also here. Camille, I said Camille already. Aaron, who else was here? And to anyone else who I missed, thank you so much for being here, and join next time as well. All right, so see you guys, have a great day.